Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to send money from Canada to USA for the best possible rates. So in this tutorial, we're going to be using the application Wise. So you just have to download the Wise application on your mobile device. And once you've downloaded Wise, you want to go to the home page and you want to scroll until you see USD. So just click on USD and then you want to click on add, and here you can add the amount of money that you want to send from Canada to Wise. And you can do this either with a bank account or a bank transfer debit card, Apple Pay, credit card, or Swift. Then you want to click on send, and from here you want to click on add recipient. And you want to click on USD, and then from here you want to enter the bank details. So just enter the bank details, and then after that just pick someone else, or you can also choose whatever in here. And here you need to put in your recipient's number, like their full name, their number account, and whether it's check in the savings account. So just choose United States as a country, city, recipient address, then postcode. Then you can send them out, and this is a real US account, so the money will send to their account. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.